Hey YouTube, Mr. Jeremy Shepherd here with a video about Swiss Army knives. I do not have this Swiss Army knife, or a Victorinox one, but I do have this. One second. I have this one. It is silver. Can't show you what that side says. It's bad. And got this from my dad. It has it's hard to open. It has a, let's see, about 2-inch blade. Right there's stainless steel china. There we go. Yeah. If you didn't see it, too bad. And there is a bottle cap, a corkscrew, which I do not need because I am 11 and I do not drink wine. Unlike some of the kids at my brother's school. And it comes with a screwdriver on it, and it's pretty good. Don't use it that much unless I have to. And it comes with a fingernail file. It's just lines. Oh, it kind of works. I never tried to. It comes with a finger cleaner right there. Yeah, don't want to cut myself. And it comes with that. Comes with that. Comes on this side. It is a bottle opener, and it has a, well, of course, the bottle opener and the flathead screwdriver. And on the other side, it is a can opener. And that's all it is, a can opener on this side. See it? Yeah. And here's the last part, and probably my second favorite part on this. What I like about this is the scissors. They're really good. They cut good. And I don't know where my dad got me this at or anything, but I want a Victorinox, however you say it. Swiss Army knife. Yeah, those look awesome. I want the Sportsman one. Yeah, and see you later, YouTube. Mr. Jeremy Shepherd signing out. Rate, like, subscribe. Bye-bye.